Morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. Let's get my camera adjusted here. Go that way. There we go. Gonna do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on March 3rd. Slow sales day, as you can see on the screen. Only 12 orders for $146.40. Had one sale over on Hip for $5.99. So we'll call it 151, 152, something like that. Let's go ahead and get started here. World War II era military humor. Sailor has to shave chest. We've seen this one many, many times. I still have many, many copies. $2.99 for that card. Merry Christmas, Old World Santa Claus giving girl a doll, circa 1911. Here's that. And that sold for $22.95, and it is going to the United Kingdom, I believe. Something like that. France. It's going to France. This is today's packaging. $22.95, and that is just going with a stamp, so we'll see how that goes. Let me see. Paris Island Marine Corps Recruit Depot, New Chapel, probably 1950s or 60s. $9.74. Trenton, New Jersey, Scene Interstate Fair Ice Cream Soda Tent. I think I just sold one of these. There's the ice cream and soda tent. Seems like I just sold one of these. $10 best offer. I'll show you the back there. There's the back. Next, this is Marion, Ohio, Harding Memorial. Real photo. There's that. Looks like 1930s. Yeah, 1930. $8.49. Sold a book. This is a dental medical book, Clinical Pathology of the Jaws, Kurt Thoma, first edition. Came from the dental book lot that I bought out probably 8-9 years ago. And $9.99. Looking to probably dump all my dental books. Not going to piece them out. I want to sell them as one huge lot. Need to make room for some airplane postcards. But anyway, $9.99 for that card, that book. Duncannon, Pennsylvania, Amity Hall Inn, real photo. This was torn down, which I discovered during my research, and sold for $29.69. Large letter greetings from Albany, I almost said Albany, New York, vintage linen. There's that, and sold for $8.49, which is actually kind of high for a city like Albany. Large letter greetings. Usually probably should be only be about $4 or $5 card. Arlington, Texas. This is Arlington Stadium, home of Texas Rangers baseball. Got this in the auction buyout in August of 2021, and I probably have 100 copies of this left. $2.99 for that card. Automobile car dealer advertising 1960 Rambler custom hardtop sedan. There's that, and that sold for $7.99. Doyles Town, Pennsylvania, Central Bucks High School. $5.99 for that. 1958. And Alfred Manzer, anthropomorphic dressed cats, kittens, hospital nurse. I think this is kind of a linen. Yeah, I think this is a linen one. Printed in Belgium. $7.99, and one card sold on Hip for $4.99, not $5.99. Allentown, Pennsylvania, Trexler Funeral Home. Usually funeral homes do very well. They're on my BOLO list always. Some can sell extremely well, and this one did not sell extremely well. $4.99 for that card. So yeah, slow day, nice short video today. Reminder that this weekend is the Havre de Grace Postcard show, and there'll be an auction following that. So if you're close to Havre de Grace, Maryland, you might want to go check that out. I think it's like $5 to get in. And then programming note, on Saturday, I have a video coming out. It's just a mini like Q&A. I answer 3 questions, still manage to ramble on for 15 to 20 minutes, but I answer some questions that were in the chat. And then Sunday, I have another video ready to go. That's a 1-month update on all the aviation cards that I got. I go over my progress so far and sales so far. So, okay, that's it. Under 6 minutes. Hope you all have a great weekend.